It's Sunday, May 25th, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast, taking a look at what's going on this morning. As of 10:30, it's another great start to the day. It's mostly sunny, temperatures rising into the upper 60s, lower 70s as of 10 o'clock. Really no complaints right now. Taking a look across the entire country now, there isn't a ton going on. It's generally warm east of the Rockies. There's a nice little spin southeast of Nova Scotia that's associated with the cooler air we saw a few days ago. It's pulling off to the east. There's another little spin over Colorado and New Mexico that's bringing some showers and storms over parts of the plains, and there's a few more showers and storms over the upper Midwest and northern plains with a cold front. Those two systems to our west are going to kind of combine to give us rain chances by Monday night, although we will be pretty nice up until that point. All right, now coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers. Yesterday we did 74-47, pretty close to average. It was a nice day. Records for today are 90 set 2 years ago and 33 set last year. That's a bit of an oddity. No precip yesterday in Cleveland. We're running at 4.10 inches of rain on the month of May, 16.29 inches on the year. Both are above average, and we're setting the sun at 8:49 tonight. All right, looking ahead through today and into tonight across the eastern U.S., you see this circle here on the isobars. That's high pressure. That's in control today. So you can see some showers and storms well to our south and west. We're not going to really have anything to worry about along those lines today. So we'll be dry today and into tonight, although you can see that moisture slowly oozing around that high pressure, so you can tell that maybe it's coming eventually, but not today. All right, so today all we have to worry about is the mostly sunny skies. That's it. Temperatures rising to near 80, except for along the eastern lakeshore where a lake breeze is probably going to kick in the early to mid-afternoon. Late and variable winds. Tonight, staying mostly clear and pretty mild, lows in the mid-50s. And pollen counts for today. Tree pollen still kind of in the high category. Grass pollen is coming up. Mold spores still pretty low, so if you're sneezing, it's probably the trees or grass, and it is definitely the time of year for that. All right, now taking a look at what to expect heading into the holiday across much of the country. High pressure pulls off to our east, so that allows a southwesterly flow to develop. So tomorrow's going to be warm and pretty humid in Ohio. Most of tomorrow should stay dry. Could be a couple of showers or storms by evening, although the better chances are going to hold off until tomorrow night. Now, if you're traveling to the southeast, the Gulf Coast, or much of the Midwest or plains, it'll be a different story. There could be some scattered showers and storms tomorrow, although no big severe outbreaks expected, which is good. As we work into tomorrow night and into Tuesday, storm chances do gradually start increasing here in Ohio as well. So look for that warm Memorial Day across northern Ohio tomorrow. Temperatures getting into the low to even mid-80s. With some light southwesterly breezes and maybe a few storms as we head into the evening, although nothing too widespread it looks like until later tomorrow night. And here's the forecast of a few more select cities for tomorrow across the region. Everyone's going to be pretty warm, pretty much east of the Rockies, with a few storms here and there in Chicago and Atlanta specifically. All right, now looking ahead on the big picture forecast charts, you can see some warmth starting to build in for tomorrow. Now, this is tricky. The jet stream stays toward north, but there's enough cooler air here over parts of Ontario that it's going to try and push a cold front south through Ohio Tuesday and into Wednesday. And you can see the temperatures cool a little bit, so that's going to bring storm chances Monday night, Tuesday, and possibly lingering into Wednesday, because you can see the jet stream stays toward north. The cooler air stays more or less toward north, so the cold front isn't going to go through particularly fast, so it might get hung up across Ohio Tuesday and Wednesday, and maybe into Thursday. Now, it looks like as we get towards Thursday and Friday, we do get a better shot of cooler air, so we'll probably be dry for Friday and Saturday, and probably pretty refreshing too, at least for Friday. Now, as we head into next weekend, there's a pretty large mass of warmer air building in the central U.S., I don't think it'll get here for next Saturday, but by the time we get towards next Sunday, Monday, the first couple days of June, it could get pretty warm across Ohio. And you can see through the pretty much whole duration of the next week, the jet stream, where these lines are tightly packed, stays toward north, which means severe weather chances are not going to be high for at least the next 7 to 8 days. So That's good news. We had that one decent severe weather event May 12th where we had all those tornado warnings. We haven't really had much else, and that doesn't look to change much this week. So here's what that all looks like on your 7-day now. We start the week off warm, and then we bring in some storm chances for Monday night and into Tuesday as a cold front approaches, and then that cold front takes its time to move through, so we keep some storm chances around for Wednesday, especially south of the lakeshore. And then Thursday, maybe a few storms in our far southwestern counties like Mansfield, Ashland, Dover, New Philadelphia. Hopefully that's about it by Thursday, and then hopefully by Friday and Saturday the front is to our south. We cool off a little bit by Thursday, Friday behind that front, although not too bad. And then as we head into next week and we start warming up, next Saturday doesn't look too warm, but by the time we get to next Sunday and Monday, we could be seeing temperatures above 85 once again. All right, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your holiday weekend. Check us out again tomorrow.